Pop quiz: Velociraptor versus gorilla, who wins? Before you answer, there's a problem. The Velociraptor you're picturing is wrong. The real Velociraptor was the size of a turkey, feathered, about 30 pounds. Its sickle claw, 2.5 inches, designed for pinning lizards, not fighting gorillas. A silverback gorilla weighs 400 pounds, has a bite stronger than a lion, and can lift a small car. Real fight? Gorilla wins in 2 seconds. The Jurassic Park raptors were actually based on Utahraptor, 6 feet tall, 200 pounds, claws the size of bananas. That fight? Now we're talking. Hollywood got the name right and everything else wrong. That's today's science. Scientists found a fresh scar on the moon, and nobody saw it happen. By comparing orbital photos taken years apart, researchers spotted a brand new crater, 22 meters wide, about the size of a large house. The impact blasted bright material outward in rays, a sunburst pattern spreading across the dark lunar surface. Fresh rock exposed for the first time in billions of years. No warning, no flash, no record, just before and after. Tracking how often the moon gets hit helps protect future missions and tells us how alive our solar system still is. The moon looks the same every night. It isn't. That's If you played Pokémon as a kid, your brain literally has a region dedicated to Pikachu. Stanford researchers put former players in an fMRI scanner and showed them hundreds of characters. A specific region, just behind the ears, lit up every time. People who didn't play as kids? Nothing. The region sits where the brain normally processes animals, which makes sense since Pokémon look like creatures. Here's what makes it fascinating. Game Boy screens were small. Players stared at characters with their central vision, and that's exactly where this activation appears. Your childhood habits didn't just fill time, they rewired your brain. That's today's Science Simplified. Follow for tomorrow's study. A fireball blazed over 5 northeastern states, and nearly 300 people saw it. April 7th, 2:34 p.m., the meteor crossed Connecticut, New Jersey, New York, and Pennsylvania, traveling 117 miles at 30,000 miles per hour. It first appeared 48 miles above Long Island, then disintegrated 27 miles above Galloway, New Jersey. The American Meteor Society logged 266 reports, 7 videos, and 9 photos. This was the third fireball in a single week. A 6-ton rock shook Ohio on March 17th. Then one punched through a roof in Texas on March 21st. Space rocks are always falling through our atmosphere. Most burn up, some don't. That's today's Science. How many nuclear bombs would it take to blow up the moon? The moon has something called gravitational binding energy, the force holding all 73 sextillion kilograms of it together. To shatter it completely, you'd need to beat that, about 1.24 times 10 to the 29th joules. Using the most powerful bomb ever built, Russia's 50 megaton Tsar Bomba, you'd need 600 billion of them. The entire world has roughly 12,000 nuclear warheads. You'd need 40 million times that. And here's the kicker. It might still not work. Blow the moon apart and gravity pulls the pieces back together. To truly destroy it, every single fragment has to reach escape velocity. The moon is basically impossible to kill. That's today's Science Simplified. Follow for In 1869, a Civil War veteran named Daniel Stilson walked into his boss's office with a wrench whittled from wood. His boss had a steel prototype made, then said, "Twist off the pipe or break the wrench." the pipe twisted off. The wrench didn't break. Walworth ordered 24 on the spot and told Stillson to get a patent. Patent 957444 was granted October 12, 1869. Stillson earned over $67,000 in royalties, roughly $2 million today. The design barely changed in 155 years. Parts made today still fit the 1869 wrench. One wooden model, one test, one tool that built the modern world. That's today's science simplified.